Kailangan mo naman kumbinsin ng mga cool kids. Wow, cool kids!
Yes.
Si Ayon, si Darren, at saka si si Ryan.
Sir Ogie.
Ay, si Ogie, sumama na doon.
Kids.
Oh, cool kids eh. Ogie, hindi ka pwede sumama dyan.
Bakit?
Di ba sama yung cool kids?
Ano ba siya? Bakit?
Kid ka lang, di ka cool.
Actually, cool siya.
Oh, cool siya, pero may edad ka na. Cool aid ang kailangan.
Cool pero concentrated na.
Grabe kayo kay Kim.
Okay, action!
Hey guys,
Bili na po kayo, sir. Bili na po kayo. Murang-mura po kayo.
You look at that,
Nagpo-promo po
pare.
kami ngayon. 35 pesos na po.
What's that?
Sisig po.
Pinapahugasan, wash that, sabi.
Mura
Hugasan
na lang
mo
po ito para sa inyo po.
Para sa amin.
Opo. Ano pong order niyo po?
Naku, cool
Ano-
kid ka at Englishero ka.
Yeah, he's our leader.
Yeah.
How much the sisig?
35 pesos na lang po ngayon kasi nag-promo po kami. Bagong bukas
What
lang
do you
po.
think?
Magkano?
35 pesos.
po.
Do you want sisig?
Yeah, that's so like...
Para po sa mga cool
You
kids
want
mo
sisig?
katulad niyo.
Are you gonna treat us? You're gonna
One of the special dish in the Philippines.
Yeah, sisig,
Yes.
bro. Yeah,
you want
yeah.
sisig?
Of course.
You wanna take him?
Pare, that sisig looks so good, pare.
Ay, ayun talaga yung cool kid na mabasta. Paano?
Pare, that sisig looks so good, pare. Like,
Order na po kayo, sir.
does your sisig
Murang-mura
have
po.
like rosemary or like oregano?
Rosemary! Tapos sinagot ka, yeah, concentrated rosemary.
Oregano? I got you, man.
But you have Mama Mary here, ha?
Gotcha.
I got you.
Can we try?
Yes,
Okay po, sir. Sige po. Ilan po ba?
Bakit yung isa hindi nagsasalita?
Do you have a chopstick?
May rapper siya.
Come on.
Do you have a chopstick or...
My boy. You wanna taste
my
first?
boy.
My boy. Yeah. You wanna go?
I
don't use my fingers. Do you have a fork or chopsticks?
You are in the Philippines, my boy. You wanna kamay?
Sorry, he's drunk.
You sure kamay?
Yeah, we just came out from a night in Pobla, so like they're kind of like...
Paano yung Pobla, paano yun?
They came from like Pobla kasi, so we just want like sisig, you know, like pampatanggal amats.
daddy nyo.
Hindi lang yun, ha? Kasama niyo pa yung referee niyo.
I'm one of the cool. I'm one of the cool kids.
Yung isa athlete, ito referee.
Right.
Chili. You want chili po?
What do you call that one? What's that?
This is
Piling ko talaga
sisig.
hindi na
Special
babalik si
sisig and so affordable.
So affordable.
35 pesos only.
What makes it affordable?
The ingredients your sisig.
It's so very delicious.
Very...
Yes, very delicious.
Parang I don't wanna buy that, pare, kasi like baka yung auto ko baka bumaho eh.
Babaho na yung auto niya, ate. Ano sagot mo doon?
No, it's not. It's not bad smell.
It's not bad smell.
Patakip na lang
tapos
siguro.
na ba?
You know what?
Yeah.
Our leader, he's an expert in the sisig.
Yes.
So what's
Where's the liver that the sisig?
the liver?
Basta liver lover.
There's no liver, sir.
Can you put some more
More-
sibuyas?
More onions pa, sir.
Oh.
More chili.
What part of that?
Yes, what part?
Of the animal? What part?
It's
Ay, hindi alam yung part.
What part of the animal? What part of the animal?
paste.
The face.
Oh, the
The face of the baby.
Is that right? Is the face?
I think so, my man.
Why?
Which part in face?
Which part of the face?
Basang-basa yung pisngi ni Darren kay Ryan. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.